Hey everyone, Randy from Adown Concepts here. I'm sure most of you have seen the digital fan vacuum controller that I created. And here is the update to it. This is Digital Fan Vacuum Controller 2.0. What I found is it got very tiresome unplugging and plugging and unplugging and plugging in when I was switching from fan to vacuum, going from router to plasma cutting. So I've got the Digital Fan Vacuum 2.0 on my machine here. So Digital Fan Vacuum 2.0 works the same way, but now I can switch from fan, and now I'm going to move the gantry so the fan comes on. Gantry's in the home position. Now I'm going to switch to my router so I can just use the vacuum. Now the gantry's back in the home position. Of course, I've got the delay in the off position, so I'm not running the delay right now. So that's it. That's the latest improvement from Adown Concepts. Thanks for following.